Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I haven't seen you guys in maybe 3 days. It's Friday and I haven't seen you since Tuesday. So how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be what's on my iPhone X. That's what I'm going to do today. So if you want to know what's on my phone, just keep on watching. So we're going to start off with the case. I have the iPhone X. I have the black one. I'll take the case off. I have the black one. It looks pretty dirty, but I don't know how it's dirty if I don't even touch it with the case. Hey, you can see me. Hey. Hey. And I have the case. The case is from Five Below as well, and it's a marble case. It's really cute. The camera does not give it justice, but it's really cute. And I have a Wild 'N Out pop socket from when I went to TRL, and they gave us Wild 'N Out gear. I have this, and then I have a Wild 'N Out t-shirt. So yeah, that's my case. So at the front of my phone, I have military time, 1302, because I went to Spain 2 years ago. So when you open my phone, there's mail, calendar, photos, camera, maps, clock, weather, utilities. Utilities are just the ones that don't care about like files and calculator. I use calculator sometimes, but then I have notes, FaceTime, App Store, iTunes Store, health, wallet, settings, Spotify, because my music, that's where my music is. I don't use Apple Music. I use Spotify. And I'll link my Spotify down below if you guys want to follow me, because I have a bunch of playlists that are bomb as heck. So I'll put that link in the description down below. But literally, I'll show you all my playlists. Open it up and literally, literally playlists. I have so many. It doesn't look like a lot, but there's a lot. And it has a lot of songs on them. So yeah, Spotify, Instagram, obviously to, staying on him, you know what I'm saying? If you want to go follow my Instagram, it is CARIMARIE Cologne. I post a lot of stuff on there. And yeah, there's Snapchat, self-explanatory Snapchat. The new Snapchat update? No, heck no. What the heck is that? Literally, what is that update? Like, it's so inconvenient. Like, I'll show you. Let me show you. I can't even see the people I'm actually like friends with stories. Like, I have to go through all these people. Like, this is so annoying. Like, oh god. And then I have browser, that's just for downloading videos. iMovie, self-explanatory to edit my YouTube videos. Twitter, the best. Extras, the apps I do not use, so I just put them in a folder. Then I have InShot, which is just like a video editing app kind of, or like a, I don't know, like for cuts and everything. It's really cool. Then I have YouTube, self-explanatory again. Then I have Ever, which is just a photo editing, a photo saving app. Like you can save all the photos on your phone on this app, and you don't have to worry about like if your phone, I don't know. It's a really good app. Then Drive, self-explanatory to save photos as well. Wells Fargo, my bank. YouTube Studio to see your stats on YouTube and to engage with people. Like if you guys comment, I can comment back on this app and stuff. So it's cool. Vaunt, that's actually for doing my YouTube intro and outro. Yeah. Visco, which is editing my photos. I haven't been on Visco in a long time. I only go on Visco to edit my photos. Like, I haven't gone like to my I haven't like posted any photos recently. Like, the last photo I have is me in well, second to last is me in Puerto Rico, as you can see right here. Like, I don't really go on Visco, but I love Visco just for filters, just for these filters. But yeah. And then I have cars.com just for buying cars, rental cars, Auto Trader, the same thing. Triller. I love Triller so much. Triller is my bae, and Triller is my homie. That's just for making like music videos, and like it's really funny. Then I have Into Live, which you can make a GIF into a live photo, and then you can put it on your home screen or lock screen, and you can like press on it and it'll move. I think that's only for like 6 Plus, an iPhone 6 Plus and up, an iPhone 6s Plus and up, because my 6 Plus doesn't have live photos, so it's whatever. Then I have Layout, which you could just put photos together. My AT&T, obviously my phone carrier. Roku, because I have a Roku. I don't have TV. I have a Roku. I just watch TV, and a Roku. I watch Netflix and YouTube only. I don't watch TV anymore. I just watch that on Roku, and it's just like easier. That's just a remote. Like, I'll open it. It's just a remote. So if you can't find, whatever. If you can't find your remote, you can just use your phone, which is so convenient because sometimes I lose my remote. Like, I don't even know where my remote is right now. I can use my phone. Uber, self-explanatory. Lyft is self-explanatory. LinkedIn is for finding jobs and building a resume. Aviaries for photo editing. House Party is it's like Uvu. If you're old enough, if you're old enough to know what Uvu is, it's like Uvu, but you can add more people and it's just easier. Amazon, self-explanatory. 1iota is when I go to TRL and you can get free tickets on your phone. PicMonkey is to edit thumbnails and to edit other stuff. Adobe Draw, I just like literally just downloaded this because people like draw on these and I'm like wondering how they do it. And then I have Spark Post, which is also for thumbnails. And then McDonald's. McDonald's, you know, you get them deals. Like, let me open this up. Let me see what deals I can get. Only while using the app. Let's see their deals. Oh, I have to log in. Whatever, forget it. But yeah, and then I have on the bottom, phone, Safari, messages, and then Apple Music, which my music library is nothing because I didn't sync my old phone to this phone, but I didn't want to because this has like so much data and I don't want to, not data, storage. This has so much storage that I don't want to like waste it, and I have all this stuff on there, so it's like whatever, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much what's on my iPhone. Let me stop the screen recording. Alright, that's pretty much what's on my iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want. If you're at the end of this video, comment down below pancakes. Why not? But yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And also comment down below video suggestions. You know, I'm not running out, but like, what do you guys want to see from me? What do you guys want to see? What do you guys want to see? I'm interested. So comment down below video suggestions and comment down below pancakes if you reached this part of the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.